Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Wrangler license plate light. This is a simple maintenance task that you can easily do yourself. First, you'll want to gather a few basic tools, including a flathead screwdriver and your new replacement bulb. Many Wranglers use a 194 or T10 bulb, but always double-check your vehicle's specific requirement. Upgrading to an LED bulb can also provide brighter, more efficient lighting. Now, let's get started by accessing the light housing. Begin by carefully removing your license plate and any decorative frame that might be present. This will give you clear access to the light assembly. The license plate light housing is usually located on the rear bumper or tailgate. Look for two small retaining tabs on either side of the housing. Gently squeeze these inward to release the assembly from its mounting point. With the housing released, carefully pull it away from your Jeep to expose the bulb socket. You'll see the bulb holder twisted into the housing. To remove it, simply twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn. Once unlocked, pull the old bulb straight out from the socket. Now, take your new bulb and firmly insert it into the socket, making sure it's seated correctly for a good electrical connection. Almost done. Once the new bulb is in place, twist the bulb socket clockwise to securely lock it back into the light housing. Before fully reassembling, turn on your Jeep's parking lights to test the new bulb and ensure it illuminates properly. If it works, align the housing clips with their openings and push the assembly firmly back into place until you hear a satisfying click. Finally, reinstall your license plate and any frame.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.